Bobby W6 IWN. We're in for a treat today. We're at the Reno Ham Swap here at Cabela's in Reno. Let's go take a peek and see what everybody's got today. Oh, hello, Aaron from Chameleon. You guys got some stuff here today. Awesome. Thanks for coming. What do you guys got? What do you guys got going on here?
Blemished items, spring cleaning, trying to clear out everything and get ready for new products.
Some blanks. Oh. Ooh, I bet I know some people that want these. TDL hubs. Oh, some MC coils. Ooh, there's a lot of good stuff. Boy, you guys got to go to the Ham Swap in Reno. Chameleon's got all kinds of good stuff. There's a lot of other people selling stuff here too, but looks like they got some loops going on here. All kinds of hardware. Ooh, look, I see a couple SS25 whips down here. Ooh, a bunch of the Chameleon duffel packs.
Those are selling for 100 right now.
Ooh.
Do you know what they are?
Tactical
What these are?
dipole. Ooh.
Okay.
What is this spider hub here? Is that you hook a bunch of ham sticks to that, or?
I'm not for sure. That guy's right there.
Oh, we got a tactical 70 here. These are very cool. I'm going to be doing a video on this soon. I'm going to be taking it up high on a mountain and show you what it can really do. Oh, some Abri antennas. I didn't expect to see those on the Chameleon antenna table. What do you got? What do you got going on back here, Don? What is this antenna you got here?
This is the Shakespeare Marine antenna. It's 23 foot, 80 through 10. It'll handle 1,000 watt sideband. We had to make a special adapter. Marine fittings are 1" 14, so we got an adapter. So you can use it on a tripod, you can mount it on the ground. You can use all our adapters for it. You put a top hat on it. And you can also put the SS17 or the SS25 on top. Since this is a marine antenna, it's used to not being guide. And right now I've got the counterpoise kit. I just got 3 radials on it. And the nice thing about it, because it is a marine antenna and they're used to going 50, 60 miles an hour on the ocean without having a guide, this thing will stand up to a lot of winds.
Excellent. I like it. What's
We have those in stock.
Okay, so Chameleon is stocking those. Very nice.
And this is the Diamond mobile antenna. We've converted it over. We converted it over for use on our mounts or our tripod. So you can use this for the HOA people. They can put it on their patios. They can put it on their railings. We got an adapter to put the SS17 on top or the SS25 on top. We can do different counterpoise kits with it. And this thing's run remotely. So you got a cable, you can have it inside and leave it outside. So that's going to be, we're not going to carry the Diamond product, but we've got all the fittings for it.
Oh, very cool. This looks like this is the remote here. Right on, Don. It's W7 SSB, right?
Yep.
All right, I appreciate Don from Chameleon. Thank you.
Miles and miles of open highway, I'm listening to the radio. Everything I love is waiting for me a little further down the road. But the loneliness, it kills me. The music, it fills me. I'm just a few more songs from home. Mr. Radio, it's me and you. I'm hanging on to every tune. You help me make it through. And every time I hear my favorite track, the memories come running back. Without music I'd be blue. Mr. Radio, it's me and you.
ICOM radios in there. I believe there's 621s set up for GMRS. There's a battery in there, and has the antenna on the top. Also has an external antenna. Has the case here, and have a lighter plug for charging. The charger's built in already, and you can put a hand mic on there if you don't like the phone. And nice thing is that these are made of metal, so they're built like a tank.
Yeah.
And then they got 3 of them.
Some days dark and some days bright. Sometimes sadness rules a lonely night. Then I hear your voice, you play my song, and suddenly everything's alright. But the silence is deafening, and you're my only company. Thanks for coming on the ride. Mr. Radio, it's me and you. I'm hanging on to every tune. You help me make it through. And every time I hear my favorite track, the memories come running back.
All right, we're with Marty from Chameleon N7 Alpha Alpha Echo, and he's got something real cool going on I wanted to show you. Can you tell me about what you got going on in your mobile here, Marty?
Yeah, this is our Chameleon SS17 stainless steel 17-foot whip, and works anything up to 20 meters. We even sell a coil for the bass, so you can work 40, 30, and 40 meters. And you just tune it by putting whatever segments up and down you need. And I've worked the world on this in a 891.
So you don't throw out any counterpoise, you're just using your vehicle?
Just the vehicle. And I didn't expect it to work that well, but it works fantastically. Especially,
yeah, it's probably reflecting off of the vehicle. Too,
yeah.
Yeah.
If you're up on a little bit of a hill, you can work the world with it.
Have you tried it? If it's all the way collapsed, can you do 2 meters?
You can do 6 meters.
You can do 6 meters?
Yeah, collapsed.
Okay.
And we sell a 25 foot, if you can believe it. And with that, you can work 40 meters.
Yeah, I have both of them. I really like them. That's cool. I haven't seen it in a mobile application before.
Yeah, it works great. Obviously, you can't drive with it if you have it all the way up, but you can take it up 102 inches, drive with it, and then you can work, 10 meters, car to car. I do that a lot with my brother.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Right on. Thank you for sharing with us.
Yeah, Chameleon antenna.
Without music, I'd be blue. Mr. Radio, it's me and you. You never know you were my one and only friend. I'll turn the radio down and we're hanging out again. Only one request, don't let the music end. Mr. Radio, it's me and you. I'm hanging on to every tune. You help me make it through. And every time I hear my favorite track, the memories come running back. Without music, I'd be blue. Mr. Radio, it's me and you.
What do you got here, Don? I see you got some sort of remote tuner.
Yeah, this is the new Chameleon URT 1500 remote tuner, handle 1500 watts, built like a tank, and it runs through a bias T, so it's all remote. Got mounting brackets. This is the URT 100, and it's built like a tank also. It's metal case, And the military's been buying this. And this is a remote tuner also.
So these are all on your website?
Yep, everything's on the website.
Thank you, Don.
Okay. I'll use my outdoor voice on this one.
Let me send you a check.
Number is 0808. And you did that with a magic marker. That's damn good.
You did it for me.
Well, way to go, John.
Okay.
All the way from
Smith Valley.
Smith Valley. Almost covered the cost of your gas.
Hey, John, come here.
What was it? What was the last one?
I know you have a tape.
0808. Okay, next one, power meter.
0808. Okay.
No,
Power meter. 01 0868.
Yep.
868.
Huh? I'll be damned.
Ready to get a picture of you at the clock box.
yeah, that's what we. Okay, next. I believe I did this right.
Yep, Acer's laptop.
Asus laptop, full Windows 10, updated, plenty of hard drive space. Donated from me to the raffle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you got?
It's mine.
What's the number, Bill?
I ain't got to show you no ticket. 010697.
0697.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Congratulations.
That's it.
All right. Someone just won that?
Yeah, I just donated it and someone
you.
won it, took it off my hands. Okay,
What were you asking for if you weren't donating?
What are we giving away?
we're giving away single talk pods here.
Hey, let me get a picture.
These were donated by TalkPod, by the way. They gave us 10 radios.
That's a nice picture of a box you just made.
That's correct.
10 radios from TalkPod.
Why don't you open the box to take a picture of what's inside?
Why do we want to do that?
Wait, hold on.
Then it'll be used, but it'll be a used radio.
So deal a ticket. Deal up a ticket.
Manufacturers know what-
Okay.
You're doing one.
000. How about that? 688. I'm sorry, 010688. I should clean my glasses.
Yeah, get some glasses on here, man, or something.
Yeah.
What was it again?
688.
688.
Maybe.
Maybe?
You
said 000. I know. Yeah, we'll give it to him anyway.
Okay, one more. Then I got a grand prize is a 2-pack.
You found a good home for that radio. Good for you.
All right.
GMRS.
010
Bingo.
774.
074, you just say?
Oh, you're disqualified, sir.
I am.
Yeah.
Because I'm non-resident.
Yes.
His money's good.
Congratulations.
There, you need that or what? Yeah. Cool. All right.
Okay, this is,
Now you can talk on GMRS all you want.
or unlock it and plug in the hand frequencies.
Yes. Yes.
Well, let me
I won the one last year, remember?
Oh yeah. Okay, this is courtesy of SNARS. This is a 2-pack of TalkPod A36s.
They can talk to each other.
2-pack of A36s. You got to have a pair.
010894.
A double winner. Wow.
Oh, you're disqualified.
Oh, that's because he bought like $1,000 worth of tickets.
You sure you from Nevada?
I'm right down the street.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Mr. Radio, it's me and you. I'm hanging on to every tune. You help me make it through. And every time I hear my favorite track, the memories come running back. Without music, I'd be blue. Mr. Radio, it's me and you. Some days dark and some days bright. Sometimes sadness rules a lonely night. Then I hear your voice, you play my song, and suddenly everything's alright.